Today we are going to discuss Leetcode Problem 3, which is longest substring without repeating characters. So given a string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So for example, in example 1, we have input s is equals to abc, abc, bb. Output is 3 because the answer is abc with the length of 3. So whenever this type of question comes, uh, like find the length of the longest substring in a given string without repeating characters. So first we should think about the sliding window technique. So in the sliding window technique, we have two pointers L and R. So we will keep on increasing the window until we found any repeating characters. So to store the characters, unique characters, we can use the set. So basically we will be using set and the sliding window technique with two pointers L and R. So let's code it up. We have our set, we have two pointers initially 0 comma 0, and we have our result. Result is basically the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Now let's for R in range of length of S. Let's see if while S of R is in set, we will keep on removing the shifting the left side until there are no repeating characters. Set dot remove S of L and L plus equals to 1 like this. Now if there are no repeating characters, we will basically add this in our set. And and after that we can compute the result, which is max of result R minus L plus 1 like this. And yeah, I think that should be it. Let's return the result and run the code. So all the test cases are passed. In test case 1 we have abcbb, output is 3 because the answer is abc with the length of 3. In test case 2 we have input string bbbbb, output is 1 because the answer is b with the length of 1. In test case 3 we have pwwkew, answer is 3 because the answer is wke with the length of 3. You can see wke here. So if you notice that the answer must be a substring, pwke is a subsequence and not a substring. I hope you understand. So let's submit the code. So submission is successful, our code is accepted, and algorithm is working fine. And the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.